Bitcoin is held by millions around the world and has experienced an 11,964% price appreciation against the US dollar over the past decade. And in countries facing hyperinflation like Turkey, Nigeria, Argentina, and Venezuela, Bitcoin offers a beacon of hope against rapidly devaluing local currencies. But despite its potential, Bitcoin has been off limits for many because it is difficult to figure out, and some people have lost their life savings because of security problems. One major obstacle is centralized exchanges. While they have made buying and holding Bitcoin easier, these platforms don't actually give you control over your digital assets. Instead, they keep your Bitcoin in their own wallets, granting you access only when you log in. This centralized control means that when, not if, these exchanges are hacked or go out of business, your assets are at serious risk. Proton Wallet seeks to fix both of these issues by creating a safer way to hold Bitcoin that's easy enough for anyone to get started. We built Proton Wallet to put you back in control, as Bitcoin originally intended. Created by the scientists behind Proton Mail, the world's largest encrypted email service, Proton Wallet is a highly secure, self-custodial wallet that makes holding and managing your Bitcoin easy and safe. By giving you complete control over your private keys, we make sure that no one else can access your wallet, not even Proton. And our robust recovery methods guarantee you can always access your funds. You can also keep all your transactions private and your coins secure with end-to-end and zero-access encryption. With Proton Wallet, Bitcoin transactions are effortless thanks to Bitcoin via email. Anyone with the Proton Wallet can send Bitcoin to your email while we automatically rotate your addresses to protect your privacy. Proton Wallet is the latest addition to the Proton privacy ecosystem, which is trusted by over 100 million people worldwide. Start protecting your Bitcoin for free with Proton Wallet.